Hi guys, good morning. Guys, I want to start up workout again after so many years, and after so many years, so there is this group of women that are doing workouts. That one of my friends invited me to join them, and yeah, I just want to go and check it out. Probably I'll be joining them. I would love to join them. What did I say? Probably I'll be joining them. So I want to go and join my group of women for workouts. I just hope I'll be motivated, because like ever since I left the gym, I'll be eating whatever I want, and house chores won't allow me to do the exercise. Like I said in one of my videos, that for 2 years now I've been doing the house chores all alone, because I don't have any maid living with me. I don't have any maid, nor those women that comes to work and go. No one. I've been doing all the work all alone, and it has been very, very hectic, honestly. Shuffling it with shop, motherhood, and all that is very, very stressful, honestly. So keeping fit is one of my goals in life. Like, it is good to keep fit. Everyone wants to be fit and up and doing. Like, fatness is not for me, but I can't help it. Sometimes, you know, we feel joint pain, mostly the fat ones, when you are lacking exercise or when you lack exercise. So guys, my intro is too long. I am driving, trying to, this is the area, of course. Let me show you guys. Okay, this is the area, but I haven't yet gotten to the place, but this is the area. Like, it's been long. I go out early morning like this, guys. Like, I'm always rushing for work and all that. This is the place. Yeah, this is the school. I can see some people playing ball there. Let me call the lady that invited me, because she said I should stop here and then give her a call. I just hope it's something I would love to come back again, or love to continue. Let me call her. Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinelo Ezeonye, Nigerian YouTuber based in Kaduna. If you're tuning in for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please watch this video to the end. Like, subscribe, comment. For my returning subscribers, you guys are highly welcome. Okay guys, today I want to go, and as you can see, this my nails are due for rechange, but it's still looking good. Not that old. So I want to go and redo it because it's too long for me. Possibly change the paint, okay, because I'm kind of tired of this. You guys, tell me why my hair is looking this old, but the extension is still looking very, very new. Guys, I'm still going to carry this hair to next month before I lose it. So let's go make my nails. I would like to carry you guys along. Please like, comment, share, and yeah, let's do this. Bye.
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far.
So you guys, what do you think about my nail polish? Like, I decided to change the color to something else, to this one color. You know, my former color was design color, like different colors, but I decided to go on one color this time around, and for me it's so beautiful. It's so fine. Like, I love it. Tell me what you guys think. Let me know what you think on the comment section. Do you also like my nails as me? So I'm heading to the shop right now. I want to take my car to the car wash before heading to my shop. My guests helped me to open my shop in the morning, Amarachi and DBB. So I'm going now. Like, after painting my nails, I felt like not going to the shop again. Like, I felt like going back home to go and relax, but how would I do? My phone keeps ringing, and even if I want to go back home to sleep, I won't enjoy that sleep because my phone would keep ringing for them to confirm prices, and some people want to interact with me directly. So that is why I'll talk to you guys later. Let me head to the car wash. Bye for now. So you guys, I'm at the car park right now. So here is my nails. I decided to do one color this time around. Tell me what you guys think. What do you guys think about this nail polish? If you can see through my bag, I'm at the car wash because I took my car to the car wash. So guys, please pardon me. I don't know what I'm thinking, but I know this said, like, my head is going through a lot right now. So what do you guys think about my nails? Like, I love it so much. Yeah, I'll talk to you guys later. Let me head straight to the shop. I also called my sister to help me buy food because she told me that she'll be coming to my shop. So I told her to help me buy food from a restaurant. Yeah, so I'll carry you guys along, and that will be my first meal of the day. I told her to buy me an apple and egusi and draw soup. Yeah, that's what I want to have for this afternoon. Now is let me check what the time is. So guys, the time now is 1:52. Now is 1:52. Let me head straight to the shop, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Oh, happy Sunday, you guys. Like, I've been lying down here since morning. This is 26 minutes past 12 o'clock. Like, all my body is paining me after yesterday's workout. In my last clip, I told you guys I was going to join a workout section. I was going to join a workout section, and believe you me, I didn't do a lot. I just, do the light ones. The one I could do is not even a difficult thing. Those things that I can do on a normal basis. Like, you guys, my body has been on pain since yesterday. I thought it was going to stop, and yesterday I was able to move myself little during the day, but waking up this morning has been so hard for me. All my body is paining me. I tried to do some workout at home. I couldn't because my joints, my waist, my back, my arm. Yesterday we lifted tires, just small tires, not those trailer tires, small tires, and that I can lift on a normal day, but this one is so painful. My arms are paining me everywhere. It's paining me. My hubby came back this morning, and my co-wife gave me some things to bring for me. He gave him ukwa, which I've poured in the bottle while sitting down here on my bed. He gave him aqua, palm oil, and coconut, which I'll be showing you guys. Yeah, so I want to go to the kitchen. I'll be making coconut rice today, and I would like to carry you guys along. Okay, let's go to the kitchen because it's past 12. I guess very soon my kids will be hungry. Yeah, so let's go.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. Got no makeup. Life's in the slow-mo, always in the slow-mo. Let's touch you off my mind. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love is knowing. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love is knowing. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love is knowing. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, love is knowing.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day.
So you guys, I'm done frying the chicken, and here is my pot on the fire. I want to start making the food, but before then, let me introduce you guys to the ingredients. So here is the coconut milk I'll be using today. I'm going to be using the two of them, and I'm using Blue Pearl coconut milk. And here is my thyme. I am using tiger thyme. My salt. So here are the spices that I'll be using today, including the star, Maggi, and the North seasoning. And these spices here are these. Look at what I displayed into the plate. Here is nutmeg, beef seasoning. I've used this is Spice City. I used the last of this. Okay, I'll be getting more probably tomorrow or later this evening. And I also use Ama Wonder curry. Here is a meat broth. I actually shared it into two because I'll be using half for soup. I'll be making soup later this evening. So here are the veggies, onion, spring onion. So you guys, here is my habanero pepper. I shredded into pieces, and this is my red bell pepper. Yeah, if this is not enough, I'll be adding this one. That is why I didn't blend all of it. So let's dive right into the cooking.
Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I have to listen you come along, and it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart,
is the mixed water. I want to go in with a Nigerian rice, properly washed. Okay.
Yeah, alright. You wanna show me now and forever? No, you'll never be alone. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. You wanna show me if we're together? It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. You wanna show me now and forever? No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. You wanna show me if we're together? It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy.
I'm going to go in with the spring onion. And then I'll give it a proper stir. So guys, here is my own food. Yeah, this is my coconut rice, as you can see. This brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed the video. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.